What's up fam, it's your girl Mathy and I'm back with another DIY just for you. Yeah, just for you. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. If you haven't joined the family, make sure you click the subscribe button to join the family. Today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare a DIY face mask with turmeric. So let's get started. Before we start, please, there are few things you need to know. One, please do not put on your favorite clothes, because turmeric is actually very annoying. I've lost a few clothes I thorough to turmeric. Put on gloves if you don't want to get your hands stained, and you might want to use brush just to apply it. So let's get started. The things we'll be needing for these masks are actually very simple. There are things you have at home. You probably have turmeric at home, but you have no idea that it's turmeric, or you can use it for your face. We'll be needing bowl for these masks for mixing, obviously. And our main man, the host of the day, turmeric. Turmeric is our main ingredient, and you can get turmeric anywhere. Like I said, it's a common ingredient, a common spice, So you'll be needing flour for these masks as well. You add a little flour, just enough, and you mix them together. And also we need milk. Yes, a touch of milk. You can put just enough, and make sure it's not too much so you don't get a watery substance. You just put the right amount, and you mix everything together till there are no lumps. You make sure there are no lumps. You mix all three ingredients together, and also be adding honey. As you can see, please forgive my rubber, I stole that rubber from someone. So you add just a tablespoon of honey, and you mix them together till you have a good and nice paste. It's that simple, guys. Like, it's really simple. So it's not hard. You didn't break the bank for this though. And they're all ready. As you can see, I'm making sure everything is properly mixed together and there are no lumps. And guys, we're ready for application. Can't you see? It's that simple. Okay, let's go. First things first, we need to apply this face mask on a clean face. So you can either clean your face with your facial cleanser or water. Mine is already cleaned. I cleaned mine, and it's ready for application. We need to start off gently. Trust me, turmeric is one of those face masks you need to rush. You need to take your time when applying turmeric, because things will get messy, and you don't want things to get messy, do you? Okay, I think it's in the constitution to apply this face mask outwardly, so I don't know why though. We'll need to find out someday. This face mask can be used underneath your eyes because it's made of natural ingredients, and they're helpful in clearing dark circles with continuous use. Emphasis on continuous use. Don't think it's something you apply today and expect to see miracle. Yes, you're going to see an improvement, but it's not going to clear. You need to use it over time. So while I apply this face mask generously on my face, you don't need to be stingy with the face mask. So I apply it generously because I need to glow. Daughter of Zion needs to glow. I'll be going over some benefits of turmeric and other ingredients used for this mask. So sit back and relax while I give you the details. Okay, turmeric contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant components, which provide glow and luster to the skin. You know what I'm saying, baby? Also help with acne, scarring. The list is long. Trust me, there are really good benefits. So let's talk about milk. Milk here contains lactic acid, which are beneficial to the skin. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. Sis, we don't need wrinkles right now, you know that. We just need to keep looking good. Milk helps with clearing fine lines and wrinkles, and it slows down aging. It also helps to boost collagen production, so you need milk in this face mask. So it's actually beneficial because of its essential benefits, vitamins and minerals such as zinc and selenium. I've forgotten the other one. I don't know how to pronounce it. Not that I forgot though. I don't know how to pronounce it. Forgive me. Honey is actually very moisturizing and really good. Honey is really good for this face mask. It's for your skin, not just the face mask. It's good for your skin. I need to glow. That's why I'm applying it in my neck. On my neck. Daughter of Zion needs to glow. I need to glow. I'll leave this face mask for 15 to 20 minutes. You can leave yours less. 10 to 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on how much time you have in your hands. So I'll leave it till it dries off and I rinse it. I recommend you using this mask 2 to 3 times a week for effective use. Yes, I use mine twice a week. You can use yours 3 times a week. So I'll wait while this stuff dry. I'll either play a game or just do anything till it gets dried up, and I'll come back. Okay guys, this is all dried up. Please, before you start, always make sure you test patch. You can rub it here for like 15 minutes to see if you're reacting to it or not. So, and I will go wash up. I'm done washing off. My face feels softer and brighter. Look at that glow. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know what you think about it if you try it at home in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you guys, and be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and also please subscribe on your way out. I'll see you.